Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter squishy. Let's dive right into some quick and easy methods to get your butter perfectly soft for baking or spreading. First, try cutting your butter into smaller, uniform pieces. This increases the surface area, allowing it to warm up much faster. You can also place it near a warm appliance, like a toaster oven that's just been used for a few minutes. Or, if you need it immediately, grating frozen butter works wonders for recipes. Another effective method is a warm water bath. Simply place your stick of butter into a sealed plastic bag, ensuring no water can get inside. Then, submerge the bag in a bowl of warm, not hot, water for about 10 minutes. The gentle warmth will gradually soften the butter without melting it. Just check its consistency, and if it's not quite there, give it a few more minutes. Using the microwave can be quick, but it requires caution to avoid melting. Cut your butter into small, uniform pieces to ensure even heating. Place them on a microwave-safe plate and microwave on a very low power setting for just 5 to 10 seconds. Flip the pieces over and microwave for another 5 seconds. Always check the butter's softness after each short burst to prevent it from turning into liquid. The simplest method is often just letting butter sit at room temperature. Depending on your kitchen's warmth, this usually takes 30 to 60 minutes. For ongoing soft butter, consider using a butter bell. It keeps butter fresh and spreadable on your counter. Always store butter in an airtight container to prevent it from absorbing other food odors, ensuring it stays delicious and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.